Well, hey there, everybody. Casket King here once again with VEDA number 5. You're probably wondering what's wrong with my face. Well, I'm secretly Tweety Bird. That's right. Old Casket King has secretly been Tweety Bird all these years. I know it's a little odd and very distracting, and you're probably going to have nightmares for quite some time. But I thought I saw a putty cat. God only knows how big my smile is under this mask. There we go. So yeah, I am Tweety Bird today. Yep. I am Tweety Bird. Ugh. No. Ah. 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 Okay, some of you are probably starting to think I'm drunk or something. Well, I'm not. This is normal me. I walk around the house in my Tweety Bird mask. I say hello to the mailman. He doesn't say hello back. What the fuck was that? Some weird shit been going on around here. But anyway, I'm Tweety Bird. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next video. Bye.